Hello everybody, a huge welcome. It's Janice here. So this is bloom number 3. I've already done 2, which I'll show you further on in the video, and one more to go. So I have my mold, it's nicely level. I've got my alcohol inks, my white pigment paste, I've got 110 grams of 1:1 resin, I've got my clock, and I've got my piping bag ready and waiting. So the first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to set my clock and I'm going to stir the resin for a full 5 minutes. I don't want any streaks in my resin. I want it to be crystal clear. So it's absolutely worth stirring your resin well and just putting that extra bit of time into making it sure that it's 100% mixed. Once I've mixed my resin, I'm going to pour a little bit out into a separate cup, and I'm going to mix a tiny little bit of white pigment paste. And once it's mixed, I'm going to put it into a piping bag, and I'm going to set that aside. And I'm going to wait 18 minutes for my resin to heat up and to thicken a little bit. Now, the reason I do that is because when I pour my resin into my mold and it's slightly warm, it starts contracting towards the center as it cools down, and that's what pulls your alcohol inks and your white pigment paste and forms your blooms. So it's a little bit different for different resins. You'll have to experiment with yours. For mine, 18 minutes works perfectly. So I'm not even going to talk much more in this, just enjoy the process. I think it's self-explanatory. I have put little subtitles up where needed. But I'm quite excited. It's been a fun project to do. This lady wanted, she wanted all different color blooms. And I've done a pink and I've done a yellow, and this will be a purple violet, and I think the next one I'm going to do is a lime green. So thank you for watching, and if there's any questions or comments or anything you need to know, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps with the channel, and there's always consistent content going up. So thank you very much for watching, and yeah, until the next video.